Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to start chapter 12, exponents and powers. See children, the mass of the earth is these many kg. Now if we try to name it, it is going to be a very lengthy task. So we write it in the form of exponents, in the exponential form, or you can say in the standard form. So we have already learned in earlier classes that how we can write this in the form of exponents. Count the number of zeros. Now here we have also learned that before the decimal we need only one number. So here we need to put a decimal. So 5.97 we know. Then multiplied by 10 raised to how many? Count all the digits after this decimal. If you count, you will come to know that there are 24 digits after the decimal. So you will write 10 to the power 24 or 10 raised to 24. So how do you write it? 5.97 into 10 raised to 24. Now till in 7th standard you have learned about powers with positive powers. Now what if the power or the exponent is negative? In general, we can say that for any non-zero integer, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m, where m is a positive integer. A raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. For example, I have 2 raised to minus 3. Okay, so I can write it like this. Write the reciprocal of 2. It will be 1 upon 2, and this negative power will now become positive. So the answer will be 1 upon 2 raised to 3. So over here now see, m is positive number, positive integer. Now it can also be said that a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a raised to m. What is the meaning of multiplicative inverse, children? Reciprocal. Now tell me, 4 raised to minus 7. How do we write this? It will be 1 upon 4 raised to 7. So in general, the formula for us is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. This will work for any given number. Okay. Then some other formulas that you need to remember, which you have already learned in 7th standard. If the bases are same and the powers are different, and if you want to multiply, the powers can be added. For over here, 7 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 4. The base is same, 7. Powers are different. So simply add 3 plus 4, you will get 7 raised to 7. Now power of power. When you have power of power, the two powers can be multiplied. So you will get a raised to m into n. Here, a raised to m n. 7 raised to 3 raised to 4. So multiply the two powers, 3 into 4, it will be 12. So our answer will be 7 raised to 12. The base will remain same. You will multiply the powers. A raised to m upon a raised to n. When the base is same and you have to divide the given equation, you will subtract the powers. So it will be a raised to m minus n. Now, when the bases are different but the power is same, then the bases can be multiplied with the same power. A raised to 0, anything raised to 0, children, is 1. For example, if I write 2 raised to 0 will be 1, 7 raised to 0 will be 1. So anything to the power 0 is 1. Do not confuse it with multiplication. 2 into 0 will be 0. We are only talking about the power over here. A raised to 1 is a. If the power is 1, you do not need to denote it. For example, if I write 2 raised to 1, it is nothing but 2. No need to show that. 1 upon n is equal to a raised to minus n. This is the formula that we just understood. So these are the basic formulas that you need to remember to understand the sums in this chapter. I hope you will learn these formulas properly, and I will see you in our next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.